Okay, the last capture. This is how that looks with the bolt in place, and you've seen that before, but it just captured it all. It's never going to spin off. So anyway, let's go ahead and assemble us a little grinder here. We'll go ahead and get the tension wheel on here. The spring's already in place. Slide that in there. And we have our platen. Slide that in. And it just all the way back. Tighten this up. And there we go. We're ready to go. So we just take a belt. Grab my handy dandy belt here. And all I need to do is loop it around the bottom. Loop it around here. Hard to do this one-handed while you're holding the camera, but you can see how easy the belt slips in between those two pulleys up front. Around there. With the spring, and there we go. Spin around a little bit, kind of help track the belt here a little bit. You need to probably go down a little bit with the tracking. I'll turn it on. And we'll track it just a little bit. There we go. Spinning nice. And that's it. That's your basic belt grinder out of scrap steel.